The Schwarzman Scholarship covers all courses associated with a year of study at Tsinghua University in Beijing, including tuition, room, board, travel to and from Beijing, and a stipend for personal expenses. Additionally, it includes required books, supplies, a laptop, and health insurance. The scholarship also provides opportunities for professional development, networking, and access to the Schwarzman Scholar Alumni Network. Key benefits of the Schwarzman Scholarship: tuition and fees. The scholarship covers full tuition and required fee for the master's program in global affairs at Tsinghua University. Room and board, travel, study material, laptop, health insurance, personal stipend, in-country study tour, professional development, and immense experience. Hello guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to look at this Schwarzman Scholarship. All you have to do is just search Schwarzman Scholarship and you will see this benefit basically. I have done it because it is very difficult for us to see this benefit within the application website, the scholars website. But let's get into the website and see what are the criteria and some of the things you need to do for you to get all these benefits to study in China, Tsinghua University. So let's get through it one after the other. Okay. So this is starts the process. Take the first step towards joining a global community that will shape the future. Admission application homepage. If you click on this one, it gives you most of the information you need to know to begin create an account or start a new application. So this is basically a snapshot of the information you are going to fill in the application. Okay, this scholarship closes as you can see, applicants with Chinese passports, US and global, application open, application deadline September 10, 2025. So you still have some time, 3 p.m. EDT. The selection, just after that, starts October and November, and program begins August 2026. Okay? So these are the information basically you have to fill. Application homepage, you read about that, personal information about me. Any of this, if you click on this, you will see a snapshot of some of the things you have to do. So about me, biographic profile. Provide a biographical profile of up to 100 words. And when it comes to this scholarship, one of the most important things you need to put in your mind is the criteria, okay, set for each of the questions. So this is 100 words. Make sure you use your Word document to type these words, okay. Most often, and I want to give you a secret, when you write, take it to ChatGPT for them to polish it for you. Okay. All you have to do, rewrite this one to make more sense and appealing. Something like that. Basically, that's not like you're using ChatGPT because you've written it already. All you want to do is just for ChatGPT to modify it for you. And trust me, it works. Okay. I do this most times. So then you have the resume or curriculum vitae, your interests, and here they will tell you some of the things they need you to put in your resume. So don't use that old resume or CV. Okay, use this one. It says should include leadership experience, accomplishment, and any professional experience, education, or other items you wish to highlight that are not stated in the application. Note there is a 2-page maximum limit. So your CV has to be 2-page. You have video introduction, provide a link to your 1-minute video introduction. You have to introduce yourself. Okay. And interest, select up to 2 interests that best identify with your professional and leadership aspiration. Whatever interest you're going to choose, be sure that those interests align with the scholarship goals as well. Okay. Reapplicant. And you can see here, this is education. You fill in this information. It's so easy, guys. Language, leadership roles, awards, and recognition, I think up to 10. This section is an opportunity to showcase up to 5, okay, awards, scholarship, and recognition, and publication that are of distinction in your demonstrated leadership trajectory. This scholarship focuses on leadership more, okay? More on leadership, professional experience, essays, recommendation, display and action, additional information. You sign, you review, your status page, okay? Submit application. And if you're ready, you can just click on this one. So let's get into certain things you need to know about this. Yes. Certain information you need to know. Now, let me take you back right at the top here. Okay. Yes, it says join the world's next generation of leaders. Admission overview. Every year, a new class is selected to represent the world's next generation of leaders, high caliber individuals with open minds and limitless potential who will serve to deepen understanding between China and the rest of the world. You can just click on that. The Schwarzman Scholars are selected from an international pool of distinguished candidates. Prospective scholars are expected to demonstrate academic excellence, exceptional results in their field, and outstanding leadership qualities. What we are looking for, our cohort of global leaders reflect the diversity, vibrancy, and promise of the world at large. The Schwarzman scholars embrace the opportunity to understand other cultures, perspectives, and positions. Candidates who are most qualified to meet the high demands of the program must exhibit excellence in the following areas: leadership, empathy, exemplary character and integrity, academic aptitude and intellectual ability. If you don't know this was, click search, just highlight this one. You right click and search for this. What does it mean? So you understand it better before you do your application. Empathy and intercultural competency, open-mindedness, entrepreneurial spirit. Okay, eligibility. This is key. In addition to demonstrating extraordinary leadership skills, the ability to anticipate and act on trends and change in their context, strong intellectual capacity, and exemplary character, candidates must meet the following criteria: must have an undergraduate degree, must be 18 to 28. I think this is very key. So if you're above this, you don't need to apply for this because you will not be selected. Must be proficient in the English language. So these are key areas. Other apart from demonstrating excellence in these areas, you have to meet this criteria. Okay. You have 37 more days. This information session, this is very key. If there is anyone who wishes to apply for this scholarship, I would advise you to sign up for this, register for this. Okay, this one they will show you the application walkthrough. Basically the whole application. You remember the first page I clicked where I was showing you personal information. They will guide you through some of the things you need to write. May 1, again, you have the opportunity to get this is an introduction to Schwarzman Scholars. You have past people coming, talking to you. And May 8, again, they have another one, application walkthrough. So this is very key. You click on this, you will see all of them. It will help you a lot in crafting your application. You don't need to rush. You still have the deadline 10th of September. So don't rush. Take your time. Okay, online application. The application must be completed online and submitted electronically once you have answered all the required questions. The application form must be completed in English. You do not have to complete the application, the online application in one sitting. Okay, so you can do it bit by bit. You may access it and continue to work on your application as frequently as needed before submitting the application. So a resume, some of the documents, 2 pages, 2 essays. You have to write 2 essays. This is key. The 2 essays for leadership and the other one, statement of purpose. I don't need to go into that. I'm just showing you. Transcript and academic records, 3 letters of recommendation, video introduction. This is key. You can click on this, you see the full application instructions. So once you are okay with all of this that I'm showing you right now, okay, all you have to do, you start your application, you just click on apply. Yeah, click on apply. I don't know if you can see this page. So you click on apply, you've checked your eligibility already, application requirements, instruction. Now, returning users, login. If you're a first-time user, you click on create an account. And that's it. I see you in China. The 10th September 2025 is the deadline. Don't need to rush. Do your application craft your application perfectly. Ask other people for them to read your essays, okay? And just like I told you, when you are done, put it on ChatGPT for them to rewrite it for you perfectly. Trust me, it's going to help you. It's your work. You are just increasing your chances. So it's not like use ChatGPT. Okay, guys, it's very difficult for us to create these videos. Trust me. Now I don't have time. And if you want to appreciate me, please be sure to subscribe if you are new here.